Hi friends, I am Anil. Welcome to my channel Computer Basics. We were discussing regarding fundamental concepts of all the programming languages, common concept of all the programming languages. In that flow, we today we are going to discuss regarding switch case, which is existing in almost all the languages. In Python, switch case directly it is not there, but indirectly it is required, so we can use it implementing some other concepts. So I will discuss it in later. But in C++, Java, directly it is the switch case. So to understand this switch case, let us consider a story where there is a treasury or treasure room of a king. Here there is a security with a key. The big treasury is divided into some chambers. Somewhere gold is there, somewhere cash is there, somewhere clothes are there, somewhere foods are there. So if in each chamber there is a entry gate. Okay. Now what happens? If somebody will go and ask the king, sir, I need cloths, then he will be allowed with this key, and this key will open only the cloth chamber. He will take the cloths. Here there are two gates. One is to next chamber, another is to outside. Now there is another security here. Now what happens? When you are entering into a chamber and taking some materials, after that security is there, he will tell you to go outside. You can't go to the next chamber. If security is not there, then you will go to the next chamber and you will take some other things. Then after security will tell to go. Now what happens? This same concept we will implement in our programming languages for switch case. The security is the keyword switch, SWITCH. Key is a variable. Now if this is 1, then first gate will be opened. Where gold is there, the person will take the gold, come here, security is there, break is there. This break will tell you to go outside. So now you are out of switch statement. Okay. If security is not there, you will enter into the next chamber and you will take cash. Here security will refuse you. So this security is the break statement. Okay. Now whatever key you are having, suppose 2, then this chamber, 3, this chamber you will enter, 4, this chamber you will enter. And if your key is not matching to any of the chambers, then finally there is a default statement where you can give some message that key is not valid. So here the same case, you will come with the key, security will give you a key, that key will open either one case, and thus that case statements will be executed. Statements will be executed, and then break is there, so you will go out of the block, switch block. Okay. Now if any of the option is not existing, is not working, then finally you can give a message, print invalid key or enter correct key. Like that you can give some message. Okay. Now this is the syntax of switch case. Let us implement this switch case, okay, in a program. Generally this switch case is implemented in menu driven program. That means suppose you are going to a restaurant, there are a lot of foods, fast food is there, your lunch dinner is there, then they are having veg, non-veg choices, soft drink choices. So many things are there, you have to choose one or two among them. So in that case a menu is given to you and you are choosing one or two among them. This switch case is acting just like a menu in our menu driven program where there are more choices. Okay, so let us try to write a sample program or simple program. Write a program to for an arithmetic calculator. So we will enter one or two integers. It will be calculated. Output will come out. So according to our 5-step criteria, first step is finding the input. So what is our input? Input is 2 integers, 1 operator. What is your output? Output is operand 1, operator, operand 2, or you may reverse it. According to that, you have to write the program. Third step is algorithm. Let us write the algorithm. In algorithm, initially what you have to do, you have to enter the inputs. Okay, so in programming, step 1, first you declare x, y choice. So x, y are the integers. Choice you may enter into in character form or in integer form, your wish. Now after declaring, input the values. Input x, y choice. So according to your language, you use the statements. So in your C, scanf, C++, C in, Java, scan. So third step, after input of x, y and choice, what next you will calculate. How to calculate? If choice equal to 1, what you will do? Print x plus y. If choice equal to 2, print x minus y. If choice 3, print cross y. If choice 4, print x divided by. You can add a number of choices from arithmetic to logical. You can do all the operations, no problem. So for this algorithm, what will be the program? First you are declaring x, y choice. So int x, y choice. You may take choice as character also, no problem. Declaration over input. So for input, first I will give a message, printf, enter 2 integers and 1 operator. So %d, 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 %x, %y, %choice, semicolon. So you have entered x, y and choice. Choice is the key. So here in place of key, the variable name is choice. Now what will happen? According to the value of choice, if you have entered 1, here addition will be displayed. So in place of statements, what I will write? Let me write in C. So if I am writing in C, then printf %d x plus y. If your choice is 2, x minus y. If your choice is 3, x multiplication y. If it is 4, division y. Like that you can carry on. If it is nothing out of these 4, then printf invalid key. Okay, now your program is over. Now, okay, it is a C program, so put it in void main, include std.h, void main, opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket. So the motto of the entire concept is switch case is to use it whenever there are multiple choices. I can use if statement also, but since it is not feasible that if suppose 100 choices are there, so why to take 100 if else statements? Okay, so for that reason it will be used. Basically it is used in menu driven program. Suppose you have to do a lot of operations like insertion, deletion. In data structure linked list it is required, insertion, deletion, then updating, insertion at which place, deletion at which place. So many options are there. Out of that you have to choose one option. So in that case, in those cases these are used, switch case. Okay, this is all about switch case. It is same in C++. In place of printf you write cout, it is C++. In Java right here SOP, system.out.println, then it will be Java program. So there is no change in any language, concept is same. So if you are a student of any computer stream, BCA, MCA, engineering, or you are an engineering student, this subject is there, any course you are doing, programming is there in your syllabus, then subscribe this channel. Definitely you will get help in programming. Thank you.